we're about to change the battery on this Nissan Juke. Anybody who's curious how to change this battery, it's pretty much easy. All you need is a short mil, 10 mil for this corner right here, and a long 10 mil. Damn, I fell down there. Okay, short 10 mil. Get through here if you can. If not, use a wrench. Okay, take that off. Take this off. Pull this out. Okay. Found the one I dropped. Let's get the new one and put it in. Now, the new one right here. All you do is remove these off. Don't put them on with these on. The car will not start. So just take it, put it right back where old one was. Make sure this is out the way so you don't break anything. So hold this like that. Slide it in there. Just like that. And you slide these down like so. You put the positive on. You can tighten it now or after, but I tighten it right now. Negative right here. Put this on. Start it up. And that is it.